Alright, so we are about to replace this pallet table that was built for a temporary event that ended up being here for 3 years and looks like hell's bells. So we got some leftover dead Trex. We got some leftover treads from the deck build last week. Some 4x4s, so we're going to cut this up. Dimension of the table are going to be 48 by 45 by 32. The top deck's going to be a little bit bigger than that, but that'll give us a little bit of inset. And then these are the numbers that we're coming up with. Plus I'm going to do some custom crossbars that intersect a little bit, which would be kind of cool. So stay tuned for that. One nice thing about making a parts list is you make a set, go to the list, cross it off, go to the next one. All right, you got the 41s, 38s. Now we need 4 28.5s. All right, so we got our cross beams and our legs all cut. All set on that. So now we just got to put the frame together and build our custom support. And see, this is why you think about it before you start cutting. So these 38s should actually be 45s, so we need 2 more of those. And when you're working with 4x4s, these 6-inch screws, they come with like or a Torx head. These things like weld 4x4s together. These things are great. A little pricey. I think it's like $60 for a 5-pound box, but makes quick, easy work of it. And with one quick swipe, we go from all this unevenness to a nice finished edge. Check it out. All right, so we're going from this old ugly mess, this brand new table. I'm gonna clear all this stuff off, clean up this corner, straighten up the front of the house here. All right, so still all the same old junk, but at least the table looks nice. Leveled it out with a couple 2x4s on the end there, so not bad for an hour and a half.